Welcome to this technical guide on the SL Mini PC BMAX. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your SL Mini PC has stopped turning on, it can be frustrating. This issue can arise due to various reasons, such as a faulty power supply or a malfunctioning motherboard. If left unresolved, it could lead to further damage, making the repair more complicated and costly. To tackle this problem, you will need a few tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, an anti-static wrist strap, and a replacement power supply if necessary. Begin by ensuring that the device is unplugged from any power source. Carefully flip the SL Mini PC over and use the Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws securing the back cover. Keep these screws in a safe place so you don't lose them. Once the screws are out, gently pry open the back cover, taking care not to damage any clips or connectors. Inside, the first thing to check is the power supply unit. Look for any signs of damage, such as burnt components or bulging capacitors. If you notice anything unusual, this is likely the faulty component. To replace it, disconnect the power cables carefully, ensuring you remember where each one was connected. Then, remove the screws holding the power supply in place. When replacing the unit, make sure to use the same type and model to avoid compatibility issues. Reattach the power cables in their original positions, ensuring a secure fit. As you work, be cautious not to touch nearby components with your tools or hands, as this could cause damage. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once you have replaced the power supply, place the back cover back on the SL Mini PC and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Make sure everything is aligned correctly and the cover fits snugly. Now, plug the device back in and attempt to turn it on. If it powers up successfully, congratulations! You have completed the repair. To prevent this issue from recurring, ensure your SL Mini PC is kept in a well-ventilated area and regularly check the power supply for any signs of wear. Additionally, avoid using the device during power surges. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.